G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, Meryl, one of my subscribers, sent me this recipe a while ago. She says that when she doesn't have enough time, she'll make this up because it takes bugger all to make up and her kids absolutely love it. So today I'm going to make it exactly how Meryl makes it. That's why it's called Merryl'S sweet and sour mince. Now there's two reasons I like this. One is because it's quick and easy, and the other one is besides having the meat in the esky or fridge, everything else is covered, so this is perfect for camping. So let's do this. So we need 500 grams of beef mince, we need a 515 gram jar of Canton sweet and sour, we need a can of pineapple pieces drained, and we need a packet of Hocking wok ready noodles, and I'm just going to cut all the packets open and have them ready to go. And then all we're going to do is grab out a frying pan. Now she says that she garnishes them with cashews, but I haven't got any cashews because I ate them all. I have got parsley, so I'm just going to throw a bit of that on top. Alright, fry pan on medium. First thing we're going to do is fry up our mince. Once our mince is cooked, we now want to add our drained can of pineapple. Canton sweet and sour jar. Always put a little bit of water in the bottom. Put the lid back on, shake the shit out of it and throw that in. Waste not, want not. Settle through properly. Give it a minute to heat up. Okay, once it's all heated up, break up our noodles. And then we just want to flick them through for a minute until they're heated. And then as soon as our noodles have heated, turn it off and we are done. Mate, what a cracker of a meal in under 10 minutes. I would say by the look of this, it serves 4. And it's actually really yummy. Bit of parsley just for the colour. Boom, done. Thank you so much, Meryl. You're awesome. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.